Hello, everyone. Welcome to our humble backyard. Come along with me today for a little tour. Let's start with our portable fire pit. It's a tub that my husband pulled out from an old washing machine. We're going to hang out around at this incredible fire pit and cook some dinner. Look how incredible it is. Well, I hope you enjoy as you come along with me. It's just amazing how my husband always think of some ways to reuse or recycle old stuff, such as like this. He took time to disassemble the broken washing machine, used some power tools to pull out the tub. It's amazing, right? We love camping and a mobile parapet like this will be easy to haul and very convenient. Look at him waving at us. Okay, let's walk towards the garden. As you have noticed, the leaves are changing its colors. It's because it's fall time, one of my favorite time of the year. We also have this big fire pit that we hang out with friends and families. It's beautiful. I love being out in the backyard. It gives me inner peace and truly appreciate the nature. It's always fun to be out in the backyard. And I guess as we approach closer to my garden, it's over. Unfortunately, garden time is over. Look at that. Look at my beans. There's some more beans, but I don't think they're they're done. And I have some pea, beets, and some carrots, but overall 95% of my produce are gone. Um, but overall I'm so happy with my produce this year and gonna have used most of it. Like I canned most of my tomatoes and my beans. I canned them and for the first time since we have these grapes, my husband fortunately decided to do some wine making, and now we have a couple of 5 gallons bucket which actually fermenting as of the moment that I'm speaking of. They are in our bedroom fermenting and hoping that we will have a good wine product this year. So these are our grapes right now. It's coming to an end as well, and yeah, so we are here on a Saturday afternoon enjoying the weather, enjoying the fire in our backyard, and enjoying what we have in life and being thankful for having all these blessings we have and the opportunity that God has given us to enjoy life as everyone else. So yeah, folks, fall is here and the weather is so nice and the garden is over, and that's all for now. See you on the next video. Bye.